Hi folks, this is your old pal Sprout. Let's go see what's doing on my patio garden. Now it's still winter here, so nights are 38, so I don't get a good growth. And right now I'm blind, can't see. So anyway, that's my summer. That one's I just planted recently, but the ones with the yellowing leaves, that's from summer. And then I got a few things growing in the pots. And these are coming out of seed. Hope you see that. They're sprouting. Big bag of soil I've been working on. And I just redid this bed. And then this is my lettuce. I've been eating lettuce. And winter greens. Chives are coming back. New crop of green onions. And I'm still trying to figure out what can I lengthen the lifespan on basil. Yeah, I'm working on it. And I got another little bag of greens. And here's my snow peas. Okay, I'll be waving rope for it so I can climb. And that's about it. And I'm trying to see this with my right